الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما، اللهم فقهنا في الدين، اللهم آمين. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear sister. This is your sister Amal Mahmoud. That's Amal Mahmoud. Of course you don't know me, because why? This is my first video on YouTube, and I hesitated a lot for two reasons. For a year and a half I was thinking about sharing with you sisters all my reflections, my advice, my nasiha on anything and everything I learned, whether it's through individual, through experience, through seminars, courses, classes, conferences, masjids, whatever it is that I felt that it benefited me, that I wanted to share with everybody. But I kept stopping myself because I felt like two reasons. One, that I wasn't qualified enough. Who am I? I don't know a lot of the deen, and I'm not out there, I'm not there yet with the deen. And two is because I kept saying, YouTube pros and cons, both posting a video, comments below, subhanallah. But yeah, moving on. And because of that, I said to myself, you know what, no, I'm not there yet. I need to learn more, I need to do more, I need to have more experience, and so on. And then I went to a lecture a couple of days ago. I saw this young youth, very, very, mashallah, elegant in his speech, very ambitious, and he was speaking very good to the youth. And then I was asking myself, like, what did he do to get out there? Mashallah, what steps did he take? He was very young at age, and he was attracting youth, the young youths, So I went to him and I asked him a few questions about his topic. And I asked him my question. I was like, I hesitate a lot to give people advice because I feel like I'm not qualified, I don't have enough knowledge, and so on. And he said, and I'm scared of, there's few people told me, you should or should not post on YouTube, or don't give advice yet, maybe you should learn more. He told me, put those people on the side, focus on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and focus on that person you're giving advice to. You don't know how you're going to change a person. You don't know what that person, how they're going to take it, who they're going to pass it on to, where they're going to take it to. And you know what? He's right. I don't know how I'm going to change a person based on what I learned, right? And I don't know who's going to take it and who's not going to take it, and who's going to benefit and how it may benefit them. SubhanAllah, imagine you say one thing and that person takes it and pass it on to another person and pass it on to another person. That's a beneficial good deed that's on for your book of good deeds on the Day of Judgment, inshallah. So with that said, I'm going to start with my first reflections. I decided to start today, inshallah, which is about the tongue. Your tongue, flesh. No bones, just a piece of flesh. We believe that we have the rights to have it. It's part of us. It's must for us to have it. Yeah, obviously everybody has a tongue. Yeah, everybody has a tongue, a lisan. That tongue is going to make you or kill you. Not kill you, you know what I mean. It's going to make you or break you on the Day of Judgment. It's either going to lead you to Jannah or lead you to Jahannam, what you say. You might brighten a person's day, or you might gloom a person's day because of what you said and how you said it. See, to you, it means nothing. Hey, I'm just talking. I'm entertaining people around me. I'm entertaining myself. I'm entertaining, the conversation. I'm just speaking. And sometimes, it's just a joke. Everybody else is laughing except the person you're making the joke at. Seriously? Think about it. See, I learned in fiqh chilling that if everybody's laughing and not the person making the joke at, that joke in Islam is impermissible. Our Islam, our deen is so complete. That joke that everybody else is laughing and you're laughing, and that person that you make the joke at is not laughing, that joke is haram. And sometimes because of our society, because of where we live, we are forced to put a smile although we are hurt from the inside. You see, my dear sister in Islam, if it's not going to benefit you, and if it's not going to get you closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, just be quiet. Just zip it, keep it to yourself. Nobody's saying jokes are haram in Islam. Jokes are allowed. There's limits to the jokes. Don't lie about it. But most importantly, don't make a fool out of the other person. Don't hurt that person. Don't intentionally even hurt that person. That's haram. That's not right. You see, our tongue, we might say some stuff and again, we forget about it. You may hurt a sister today or tomorrow or yesterday. You might hurt a person. But you don't remember it on the day of judgment. But your book of good deeds and your book of bad deeds, the book that has everything, that when you get it, you'll be like, subhanallah, it leaves nothing, no big or small. That book, you're going to see what you did. You see, you don't want to wait till the day of judgment. You're alive, wait till you're here in this dunya. You can repent today. If you hurt somebody, you talked about a person, you backbite, you did whatever it is, it's never too late. There is nobody between you and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. All you gotta do is repent. I'll share with you my personal reflection story and I will end with that. There's a sister who came to me a few months ago. I went to this class, I was learning Quran, I was studying. And I was down that day and I'm like, oh, let me just go learn some Quran and benefit myself. A sister came to me after the class finished and she said, Sister Amal, I want to thank you. Because of you, me and my kids now come here and learn Quran. And I was like, what? Because of who? She goes, because of you. I'm like, me? When did I talk to you? She goes, you gave me advice about the Quran and you gave me advice about, where to learn the Quran, where to go. Now me and my kids are all learning Quran. I don't even remember that. Now this is a sister who came to me for something good that I did, inshallah, on the day of judgment, that Allah can put on my books of good deeds. Now imagine all the other sisters have heard, that I heard, that you heard, that we all heard. Those who didn't came back to us, those who left with a broken heart, or those who left with a bad day, or you ruined their day. What about those sisters who didn't came back to us? Think about it. Next time you speak, you either speak for what's good for you, that what's benefiting you, or you keep it to yourself. Say everything you say, it's for you or against you. And with that said, my dear sisters, I want to leave you with that and ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to forgive us all for anything we said or have done wrong, and keep up to my future videos, inshallah. Stay tuned. Assalamu alaikum.